Okay, these are the Neewer filters, camera filters. They make them for different kinds of cameras. This one's made for the DJI Action 5. I've got some GoPros, DJI, another GoPro. These filter series. Pretty self-explanatory though. Now, you just take off the little, on the DJI series, you take off this little ring. Don't lose it. And then you put the filter on. So I'm going to show you with the filter and without the filter. And mind you, I'm backpacking, so it might be a little dirty. But no, I know this doesn't make sense, but I'm going to show you the footage through here and through here. So you see that filming, that is with the darkest filter. So you see that filming, that is with the darkest filter. Now that's with the filter. That's without. Show some sky, different shades of green. There's a girl with an umbrella, a couple of tents, some wild cherries. Got some cloudage in the back. Now with the filter. Clouds in the back, cherries, tents, different colors. You can see how much of a difference it makes. Do you think it makes any at all? Do you not think it makes any? Let us know. Now, this is the darkest one. I'm going to focus right here for a minute. There's with. There's without. Tree. There's with. Without. With. To me, the blue looks a little bluer. The green looks a little greener. It cuts down the glare too. It's supposed to be glare off the water. Look at that. Yes, it comes in this nice carrying case. Foam fits inside there to protect it. Feels like it's magnetic. Yes, it's magnetic. 4 lenses and your cleaning cloth. There'll be a link in the details down below. But I want to thank the company for sending me these just in time for this trip. And I'm curious to go home and load this up on the computer and see how much of a difference, or if any difference, that I can see. Let me know what you think. This is one more time with a clean lens. Took a second and wiped it clean. And all the different colors. Colors. Now, take it off one last time. Let us know what you think. This is the darkest one. There are 3 other shades.